Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So nje wanazi Orlando Pirates iyodlala kusasa against iMarumo Gallants. Yabo nje uyodlala against iMarumo Gallants. This is a semi-final. Yabo this is a semi-final match ebaluleke kakhulu kuJose Riveiro. Ibaluleke kakhulu le match le because uJose uzowenza ihistory lamanje sabeke iOrlando Pirates kwifinal. Yabo in another final ye-Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates iyafuna ukuyiwina le cup le yenze futhi history. Yabo ibe iteam yokuqala eyiwineni kathathu. Mamelodi Sundowns, SuperSport United, Orlando Pirates iwona ama-team asawawine lama cup kabili. Mamelodi Sundowns nayo iyafuna ukuyenza history, ifuna ukuyiwina le cup nayo okwesithathu. Iteam yokuqala ukuyiwina wesithathu yabo first ever. Iyadlala nayo against iKaizer Chiefs kusasa. Imatch emnandi leyo. So ngizokhuluma ngematch ezoqala le izodlala ngo3, eSundowns idlala ngo6. Le kuzobodlala iMarumo Gallants and iKaizer Chiefs. Ngizoshayelana prediction la mase ngithola ithuba. Isona mina ischeme engasethe. Ungangitshela wena lana prediction yakho kuma comments. But nayi ke ilana prediction nengayishaya mase ngithola ithuba. Starting from the goalkeeper. I don't want to talk a lot about goalkeeper bethu. Le team lesodlala nawo sesadlala nawo before. iMarumo Gallants yashaya ngo2-0 ngosikhathi idlala away, idlala le Free State. So ngidinga le game le ngifuna ukubona uSipho Chain eshowa iconfidence. Ngifuna ukubona uSipho Chain ekhuluma nedefense yakhe. The goal LSL consider koGabane nomhango, it was a set piece. Hlezi ngikhuluma ama set piece. Hlezi ngikhuluma futhi ngama set piece. Ama set piece iyo ikhona la shota khona ama defenders. Angazi kwenze njani ama defenders. Yabo uSipho Chain kumele akwazi ukukhuluma nedefense yakhe because iteam esodlala nayo, yes yabo bayakwazi ukudlala bona ngalo coach oba ofikile omusha wabo iyakwazi ukubadlalisa. So ama set piece iwona shaka kakhulu kule game sesidlala nabo. Ne on goal ke leyashawa umbatha. I wasn't happy about that match because ngabe mhlambe silapha phezulu on top of the league asas. But ke Sipho Chain yana goalkeeper ngamvimisa ku game kusasa. Kuthi kuma center back side 2. Kuma center back side 2 ngaqalisa uMbokazi beno Sibisi. Yabo uMbokazi in the last game he played against the iMarumo Gallants, he wasn't included in the match because the guy wayengakaze ayiqala igame. Yabo waze waqala igame elandelayo sedlana neChippo United. Yabo so umbekezeli Mbokazi outplay him with uSibisi. The pair have been good. Yabo kuma games nje siphuma kona abajete bayakwazi uconnect him over. So ngabadlalisa about 2 yabo ngokwami. Ungangitshela wena yipi center back pairing ungayisebenzisa kule game ekumele sidlale against iMarumo Gallants. Yabo abajida yes bafishane for ama set piece, but ngiyamtrusta kakhulu uSibisi ukuthi akwazi ukuyigada intwana. Yabo ayiguide intwana ukuthi kahlahle sidila kanjani ama set piece lapha. Yabo lento yokuyekela ibhola ligqomeza ama defenders ayikho right. Ukubuka ibhola lingene eboxini lakho wena as a defender kuthini kuwena. Yabo kumele silande abadlala njengomahopho mhlawumbe bebekhona egamini abade ba drop bazosiza team I defend ama set piece mes defend. Yabo right wing back from the get go I'll play Van Rooyen. Yabo I'll play Van Rooyen. I trust the guy to overlap aye phambili at the numbers phambili I create ama crosses lapha. Yabo so I'll play Van Rooyen in that position because indlela uJose Riveiro adlala ngakhona. Yabo style of play Jose Riveiro masubheke iInter, the way Inter Milan plays iyona indlela sengabona ukuthi oh masubuka iInter Milan masubuka ibhola edlala iOrlando Pirates abadlali ibhola elihle but they use their wing backs to attack ama teams abajwayele ukudlala nawo. Yabo Inter Milan sebenzisa ama wing backs mase beyaqina eswini nabadlali abaqinile njengathi nje. Yabo it's not good football but it gives you results. They grind out results. So play Van Rooyen lapha azo eta ama chances phambili. Yabo sinazi itrack ezikwaziyo ukufinish ama chances eziwathola eboxini. Yabo mase ukuthi another wing back engayisebenzisa lapha emuva uDion Hotso. I trust uDion Hotso to do his job lapha. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoDion Hotso but the guy he has been delivering for Orlando Pirates for the longest times. Yabo the guy he has been delivering in that position. So I trust uDion Hotso to deliver kule game yeMarumo Gallants. Yabo akhombise ukuthi uyileader adafika kule club yeOrlando Pirates. Adafika uDion Hotso. So ngiyamthemba ukuthi umchita uzokwazi ukudeliver lapha phambili asifayela ama cross mengumakwa abuya a drop. Yabo now Van Rooyen, I trust Van Rooyen ukuthi mengumakwa abuya drop. Van Rooyen unokushaya leyo nto ukuthi akabuyi kakhulu. Ngoba amathema amaningi aseyakwazi ukcapitalize kwiside la Van Rooyen bokunaki bezidlala namathema amaningi. They know ukuthi Van Rooyen uyahamba kakhulu. Mhlambe kusasa you will see amathema amaningi azofuna ukungena Van Rooyen because they know ukuthi umjida uyakhuphuka kakhulu akathanda ukubuya kakhulu. Yabo ingawuthi technical team ingasebenza kule nto Van Rooyen ukuthi umjida yes siya attack yabo kumele aye phambili but mase kudefendwa zazi ukuthi udlala yipi position. Siya defend right now which position are you playing. Kulo position yakho ubani ucovereli ubani okhavile yabo. So as umdlali kumele uzazi bethi ibhola kumele lingekho kuba bafana bagqoka iskipa esimnyama esifana njengesakho ubuya phela uyomaka eposition yakho size team because i-team izoconsider ingeno esidini la kuba uzoblame ngeke blame ama defenders uzoblame wena because wena kumele abule lapha uya defend yabo. So umjida ngawuthi angakwazi ukubuya make defend. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu Makhehleni Makhawula bafethu, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, iyadlala lo mshida khehle uyena umjida ngimthembayo lapha uthi uzokwazi ukudropa ama wing backs wethu mekhophukile u2 adrope azosiza i-defense yabo, ashanele yonke into ezayo lapha kusibisi beNombokasi yabo. I trust the guy to deliver in that position. Uzobe sebenzisana noMbatha yabo, iyona njini lesasebenzelayo kule season yabo. uMbatha uzobe sebenzisana naye. Into engayithandi ngoMbatha in recent games asawadlalile ilento yakhe leyo like akayiqedi game, angazi noma mina yena usayeka notice leyo nto. In the last 3 games uMbatha akayiqedanga ama games, angazi noma mhlambe lokulimala kwakhe kuyambuyela, it's creeping in, it's creeping back, we don't know. But umjida ngawuthi angaba fit mfethu because we cannot play, asikwazi ukudlala ngama midfielders mfethu asheshayo ukulimala. Ama midfielders angawuqedi 5 games efit yabo. Kumele sidlala ngama midfielders consistent yabo, adlala week in week out yabo. Asikwazi ukudlala ngama midfielders anjalo. Kumele sazi ukuthi okay just ni midfielder la siyazi lo mshida lo singamthemba yabo. Ngasho Makhehleni Makhawula he can play like 10 games in a row. He can play 10 games in a row engalimalanga. But you cannot say that with uTalente Mbatha. Yes, he can play those games, but sometimes uyambona umshida ulimele yabo. Sidinga ama midfielders are consistent. I'm not saying umshida akwazi ukudlala, the guy he is yabo exceptional. Umshida uyadlala, one of the best midfielders asike asayena uJose Riviero yabo. So yeah, umshida ngawuthi mhlamba ngaba consistent indlela yokudlala kwakhe futhi ne-fitness yakhe yabo ibe on par with isquad Orlando Pirates, because mase ubheka isquad esinaso right now si on par yabo. Samdinga kumdlali naye ozomatcha equality yesquad esinaso yabo. Another player out playing that position Tito Maswanganyi is like a gel yabo, ufana njenge-gel oyifakayo mfethu uyenza izinto zibe smooth. Maswanganyi mengeke Orlando Pirates ayidlala ibhola elismooth. Yes, we ground out the results, but we don't get yabo ibhola eligculisayo. We don't see the type of football that we signed for yabo. Akusilona ibhola leli esilithandayo, even though we win, but akusilona ibhola elimnandi libukekayo. Siyawina but yabo the first half yale game esiyidlala against the MC Alger ngosikhasidlala home sasingadlala ibhola lePirates, kwangalona nje ibhola leli libukekayo. So Tito Maswanganyi ukhona lapho uzocreate ama chances ukudlala ibhola, simple style of football yabo. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bazongixeka bathi uzomfaka kanjani uMonapule Saleng, uzobuya nini Monapule Saleng. We don't know, but we've seen Monapule Saleng training with the team. Yabo, I trust Monapule Saleng uzoba khona igame yakusasa. Bekhona kwi-camp yale game ezodlala. Njobe bekhona kwi-camp kusho kona ukuthi uzobe khona kusasa. I'm not saying ukuthi uzobe khona bakwethu, but I mean ngokwami outplay Monapule Saleng in that position kwigame yakusasa. Kube kuya ngami, ngabe ngamfaka uMonapule Saleng kwigame yakusasa, ngibeke uNkota ebenchini. Kodwa kuzoba umdlalo uzoshintshela igame yabo. Mase kuthi kwe left wing ngingadlalisa bani? Ngingadlalisa yena uMfukeng. Ngingadlalisa uMfukeng nga left wing. Simple as that. I play uMfukeng nga left wing. Angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu uMfukeng bafethu. The boy he has been pushing Orlando Pirates kule season nje, umshido bedlalela amnandi kule season. So I'll play him that left wing position. Kithi ka right wing ngifake uMonapule Saleng. Center forward, I'm sure abantu abaningi bebengayilindele center forward, but I'll play uNkota as a center forward in game yakusasa. The reason why I play uNkota as a center forward, the last game we played that we won, uMfukeng wa asitela lo mfana lo yabo. Lo mfana lo uyakwazi ukuyidlala le position. I think it's time we try out umdlalo uzokwazi ukuskorela phambili. Umshido uyakwazi ukukhahlela, umshido uyakwazi ukukora. Ama-fans amaningi adekhala ngokuthi wow lo mfana lo engaphusha uladlala as a center forward, because our strikers are not delivering. Our strikers are not doing their intended job yabo. Umabasa wagcina nombono mabasekora, wagcina nombono mahope kora yabo. But ke iyona ilana prediction yami mina le ngayisetha mase ngithola ithuba. Ungangitshela wona ama comments ukuthi yipi line prediction yakho ongayisetha yabo, ilana prediction ungangibhalela ama comments over neSport ningakhohlwa usubscribe abafethu ngiyabonga ngesupport eniniyayo